Hello! Today we are going to be trying fixing those absolutely beautiful heated gloves that I purchased some time ago during winter for operating my two-way radio, and that's because my fingers are getting stiffy and cold and it is really unpleasant. And I choose that model from company called Alpenheat, and that's because they are really skinny and they are perfect for that use case. Like most gloves that you can purchase are like very heavy for like a snow sport, but that model, you can take a look how it's being called. It is a very skinny, as you can see here. It is extremely skinny and is giving you a good feel. So if you are operating like a military radio, you've got no problem in getting like a good grip for like a tiny switches on a Clansman radio. So that's why I go with them, and they were working great, but they've got issue with the battery. And one of them, here we've got a pouch and we've got our battery pack. As you can see, this battery is being marked by X, and that's because it is not holding charge. It's work for like a 5 minute and then drop to 0. Most likely one of those two cells goes bad. Fortunately, you can purchase currently replacement from Alpenheat, but I decided to go against it because it was really expensive, and here you've got the specification. As you can see here, we've got our connector that we are using for recharging it, so it is pretty clever. And what I managed to locate on the AliExpress are those generic replacements that've got exactly the same voltage, so this is a 2 series cells. And the only thing that you need to care is whether they are going to be fitting into your pouch. And if you take a look here, we've got no problem stuffing it, and we've got a lot of free space. So definitely we could go with like a higher capacity, but I wanted to be safe because anyway they are pretty expensive. And we can swap it here. So we can nicely disconnect it and discard those two broken batteries. Here we are plugging ourselves. No modification required. That connector is pretty common on like a heated accessories. And now what we can do, we can turn them on. And they are working perfectly fine. Nice, warm and toasty. If you would be wondering what is being heated up, then the answer is your fingertips, which is the most important and critical part that is getting the coldest, the quickest way. So having them like heated is the best possible thing that can happen to you. And when you go home, the only thing that you have to do is to unzip that pouch, remove your battery that is presenting like this. This is the size that is fitting without any problem. Here you've got your charger that is designed for recharging 2 batteries at once. So you are plugging yourself here. You are grabbing your second battery. Just like that. And now we are grabbing our beautiful vintage Goal Zero. And you are plugging your power supply just like that. And you've got the red charging indicator. And when they are going to be fully charged, we are going to be getting 2 green lights. So with this very simple trick, you can make your gloves working again without spending a lot of money on getting the genuine battery from the Alpenheat. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.